Well, hello there, and welcome to another training nugget. In this video, I'll be showing you how to create recurring tasks in Clickup. Let's get started. Well, the first thing you'll want to do is to log into Clickup with your username and provided password. You'll agree with me, when you're setting up your project, there'll come a time when you'll need to activate recurring tasks. This means either you're running sprint calls or sprint stand-ups, then recurring sprint identifiers will need to be set up on ClickUp to make it more effective and efficient to follow up with your progress. Now, to set up a recurring task on ClickUp, the first thing you'll want to do is to navigate into the space where you'd like to have a recurring task into. I'll navigate into My Spaces and I'll select my project management space. Inside my project management space, I have video production as my main task and also have some subtasks that I need to accomplish. I would like to have the shoot reoccur after every single week. So in this case, you can tell that the due date for this shoot is in February 2nd. So I'll remove that so that there is no due date at all. So to edit this to be a recurring instance, I'll navigate into the due date, and this is the short format. And from the date or the calendar pop-up that shows up, navigate into the set recurring option and choose the regularity of your recurrence. It can be weekly, monthly, yearly, days, and you can also custom that to suit your project management style. I should also see when it's complete, what should happen. I can also schedule. It should create a new task when it's complete. It should also update status to from to do or from in progress to do. And once I select this, I'll select a start date and say let's start on this date, and then it should recur weekly, and you can tell there's some great dates where this very event will reoccur again. Notice if I change this into monthly, then the dates here will move into monthly reoccurrence. And you can tell this is 7th to move to the next 7th day of the month. Once I am done, let's change this back into weekly. Once I'm done, I'll click on save. And you'll notice that just next to the date, there is a recurring option. This helps you to know that this event reoccurs again in the calendar. If you look at one that does not reoccur, then the symbol does not appear. The other option that you can use to set up this task to be recurrent, you'll click on the task in question, navigate into the due date, click on the due date, and follow the very same process that we have followed when we are setting up using the quick access area. Well, that is how we set up recurrent task in ClickUp. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next nugget.